Hi, I'm Dr. Stephanie West. If you're here, it means you're considering taking a step forward, and that matters. Preparing for the GED is not a small decision. It takes courage to return to something that may have felt difficult in the past. It takes determination to say, I'm ready to try again, or I'm ready to finish what I started. Let me say this clearly. The GED reading test is not a measure of your intelligence. It is not a reflection of your worth. It is a skill-based exam, and skills can be learned. As a reading specialist with 30 years of experience teaching reading and literacy, I have worked with students of all ages, and I can tell you with confidence that when reading skills are taught clearly and systematically, progress follows. Many capable students struggle with the GED, not because they aren't intelligent, but because they were never explicitly taught how to approach complex reading with clarity, structure, and confidence. This program was created to change that. Through structured instruction and guided practice, you will learn to develop strong habits of reasoning, careful analysis, and precise language use, skills that extend far beyond a single exam and into college, workplace, communication, and everyday decision making. Each module targets one essential reading skill, such as identifying main ideas, analyzing tone and word choice, evaluating claims and evidence, understanding text structure, or comparing paired passages. But the true goal is deeper, to build independent, strategic readers who know how to think through complex information with confidence. When you enroll in a module, here is exactly what you will receive: a complete instructional slide deck, typically 55 to 85 structured slides that walks you step by step through each skill, between 8 to 10 short instructional videos embedded throughout the module. These videos model how to think through questions, analyze passages, and eliminate incorrect answer choices. There are also 10 to 12 structured practice activities and quizzes built into the same format as GED-style questions, using realistic passages, multiple choice options, and skill-aligned prompts. These questions are intentionally written to reflect how the GED constructs answer choices, including common traps and distractors. So you will learn how to recognize patterns right in the test. Each module moves through three clear levels. First, there's the build, where the skill is explained and modeled explicitly. Strengthen is the next level, where you practice with guidance. And then at the challenge level at the top, apply these skills independently to complex passages, demonstrating the level of analysis expected on the GED test. You are not simply reviewing content. You are learning how to think critically about what you read. You will see reasoning modeled step by step. You will understand why one answer is supported by the other text and why the others are not. That clarity doesn't just prepare you for a test. It strengthens your ability to analyze information, make sound judgments, and read with confidence in every area of your life. Whether you're returning to school after many years of preparing or preparing soon after high school, this program is carefully structured so you always know what skill you are developing, why it matters in the real world reading and decision making, and how it will be assessed on the GED exam, along with how it will carry you forward into college, career, and everyday life. Clarity replaces confusion, and confidence replaces doubt. If you would like to see how the program is organized, I encourage you to begin with the free Module 0. It will walk you through how everything works and help you get started with confidence. You do not have to guess your way through this process. There is a clear path forward, one skill at a time, and I look forward to supporting you as you take that step forward.